So, Hariom children, today we'll start the chapter energy. Before we'll start energy, what is energy? We should know what is work. So, what do you mean by work? Suppose a body is kept here. This is a horizontal surface. A body is kept here. Suppose a force applied here, F, and the body displaces from this position. Suppose this is the initial position A, it displaces to position B. So from A to B there is displacement, let be S. So when force is applied on a body and it displaces a distance of S in the direction of the force applied, then we can say that some work has done. So what do you mean by work? Work means when force is applied and the body displaces in the direction of the force applied, then we can say work is said to be done. So work is equal to force, let be F, into displacement, let be S. Clear? Suppose the force is applied here. You see another case. This is the first case. This formula you know from class 7 also you know. But suppose this is a toy car. This is a toy car and a boy pulls the toy car. A string is tied to here. A boy pulls a toy car. So the force is applied in which direction? This direction. But the displacement of the toy car in which direction? In this direction. So between the force and displacement, one angle is forming or not? This angle. Let that angle be theta. Clear? Suppose the force is applied here in this direction. So now between the force and displacement, here one angle is forming. Let that angle be theta. If we will join this one, this is forming a right angle triangle or not? So in this right angle triangle, this 90 degree opposite always the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and this is the perpendicular or height. So these force and displacement are related to base and hypotenuse. So in trigonometric ratio, the base and height related to cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So here the force is making an angle here theta. So work done, we have to write F cos theta into displacement S. So understood? First case, work done. In the lower class you have learned work done is equal to force into displacement. When force is applied on a body and the displacement of the body in the direction of the force applied. But now in another case, second case, if the force we are applying the toy car here and a child pulls the toy car, the force is applied in which direction? In this direction. But the displacement of the car is in this direction. So there is an angle forming between the force and displacement. Let that angle be theta. So that angle, it is forming a right angle triangle. That angle theta related to force and displacement as in a right angle triangle, base and hypotenuse. So in trigonometric ratio, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So work done here, the formula will be F cos theta into S. So this is the formula to find. So here how much work done, it depends upon the angle theta. How much the angle theta, according to that work is to be done. So I am now explaining how work is done to be maximum or when work is done to be 0. Suppose here when work is said to be done 0. See first case. Suppose two cases there. Work done is said to be 0. Said to be 0. First case 1. No displacement. I am explaining one by one. No displacement. And second case, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. So force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So first case you see, there is no displacement. Suppose force is applied but there is no displacement. Here suppose this is the board. I am applying the force on the board but there is no displacement of the board. That means what? Work done is said to be 0. This is the first case. Second case, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. How it will be perpendicular? Suppose you take a string, it is tied with a ball. Suppose this is a string, it is tied with a ball here. So if you rotate the string, what will happen? It will move in a circular path like this. Clear? So here you see the force is applied. The string is rotating in this direction in a circular path. It is not looks like a circle. Little nicely I am making. Roughly just I am drawing it. So say it once again. Suppose a string is tied to a string is there here. A ball is tied to the string. So if you rotate the string, so what will happen? It will move in a circular path. Clear? So when it will move in a circular path, suppose this is the center, here it will rotate in a circular path. Ball is here. The ball is tied to the here, this position, and it is the center. From here with the finger we have to rotate the string. So what will happen? It will move in a circular path. So in this case, force is applied in this direction. The centripetal force is applied in this direction. In higher class you have to read what is centripetal force. Just to remember that force is applied in this direction. But the ball is moving in which direction? In this direction. Ball. So displacement is in this direction. So here the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So in this case, work done, we are rotating the ball with a string. We are applying the force, but work done is said to be 0. So there are two cases when work done is said to be 0, when force is applied but there is no displacement, and second case, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. This is the work done said to be 0. When work done is said to be maximum, in the table, in trigonometric table in class 9 you will read the theta value where it is maximum, cos theta value. Cos theta value is maximum at 0 degree. Cos 0 degree value is 1. That is the maximum value in cos table. So when the angle theta is 0, your formula is W is equal to F cos theta into S. When this angle theta will be 0, so that we will get the maximum work. This theta will be 0. So first I have explained to you, suppose the body is here and the force is applied on the body in this direction. So the displacement of the body is in the same direction of the force applied. Then in this case, the displacement also in this direction, force also in this direction. So both are in the same direction. So there is any angle forming between the force and displacement? No angle is forming. That means angle theta is 0. So in this case, work done is said to be maximum. So when the work done is said to be maximum, when the force is applied on the body and displacement is in the direction of the force, then work done is said to be maximum. And when work done is said to be zero, when the force is applied but there is no displacement. And second case, when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So this is about work done I have explained. Next we have to what is the unit of work? We have to read. So formula is what? Work is equal to work is equal to force into displacement. Force unit is Newton and displacement unit is meter. So work unit is Newton meter or 1 joule. Clear? Understood the SI unit? SI unit of work is joule or Newton meter. So this is about work. This much in this video. Next video I will explain about energy. So this much. Thank you.